Hello and welcome back to the Proactive Studio. Today we're at the ASX Small and Mid-Cap Conference in Sydney, where I'm joined by Microba Life Sciences CEO, Dr. Luke Reid. So you've just presented at the conference. What are the key points you'd like to convey to investors?
The key points are we are unlocking a major new category in diagnostics, so a $15 billion market, and really we've just started. So we last year grew over 120% in our revenues, delivering against that $15 billion market and having a real significant impact for patients. On the other side of our business, we're developing novel therapeutics, and we've advanced all the way through a phase 1 and preparing for a phase 2 trial. So it's an exciting time at Microba.
So how important is gut microbiome to overall health, and how does it keep us healthy?
It's absolutely essential. So there's now more than 21,000 studies demonstrating that those organisms are essential for health, but play a critical role in the development and ultimately the treatment of chronic diseases. And there's even one step further now, 150 clinical studies showing that if we change those organisms, we can actually treat chronic diseases very specifically. So the importance of those organisms is very, very clear. But what can you do to actually maintain a healthy microbiome every day? All of the evidence is pointing towards a rich source of compounds which we call prebiotics. So these are the fuel source, the things that those organisms in your gut consume. And that comes from a very healthy and diverse fiber-rich diet, surprise, surprise. But what we're doing is taking it one step further. So for people that have a disrupted microbiome, first, we would be able to measure and see and understand that disruption using our diagnostic products. And then secondly, we would have novel therapies to very specifically treat and intervene to course correct that individual's microbiome.
So what does the next financial year look like for the company? Is there any milestones that investors should look forward to?
Yeah, there is. The headline is growth. We should expect growth in our top line revenue, sales volume, and clinicians adopting our testing products. The key thing for the roadmap in the year ahead is continued growth in Australia, launching our diagnostic tests into the United Kingdom with our United Kingdom business, and driving to the path of reimbursed care in North America. On the therapeutic side, then we want to rocket from having completed our phase 1 and going through to initiating our phase 2 clinical trial for our lead drug candidate, which we call MAP315, targeting inflammatory bowel disease, which is a $23 billion therapeutic category.
Definitely very exciting times for the company. Thanks so much for your time today.
Thanks, Tyler.